Hi, how many of you carry your lunch in a tiffin box every day? I'm sure there are many like me who do. Suppose after enjoying the yummy food, you don't wash or clean the box. This continues for many days together. What do you think will happen? It will lead to a disaster, right? Exactly the same can happen to your tank too, if it's not cleaned from time to time. Sintex tanks are trusted world over as 100% hygienic water storage solutions. Sintex makes no compromise in quality, making sure the water stored in these tanks is completely safe for the users. However, making sure these tanks always stay in great condition is up to us, the users. Here's presenting an easy-to-understand cleaning video manual for overhead storage tanks. But before we begin with the process, here's a list of things that you will need to keep ready with you. Spare tank, about 300 to 500 liter capacity. Flexible hose pipe and connectors, minimum length to be 50 meters. Power washer or pump with flexible pipe connection, minimum length 5 meters. Vacuum pump with flexible pipe connection, minimum length 5 meters. Bucket, 5 liter, 1 number. 12 to 15 liter, 3 numbers. Plastic mug, 3 numbers. Cleaning cloth or towels. Mop stick with some spare heads. Power flexible buffing wheels, cloth or plastic bristles or abrasive soft. Bristle brush and abrasive sponge, long and short handle, both. Rubber gloves, tool box and soft hammer set. Rope ladder, safety shoes, UV light source, safety glasses along with appropriate safety clothing. Sintex KleanKit designed for 1000 liters tank cleaning. If 5000 liters tank is to be cleaned, that means 5 kits will be consumed. Let me now take you through the easy cleaning process, step by step. Draining of the tank. First of all, keep the tank at minimal levels. Drain the water in the spare tank. It's advisable to drain it out if the water quality is too bad. Leave about 25 liter in the tank for inner wash. Stir the water and remove it immediately to clear off the sediment and dirt settled in the tank. Make sure that you drain it completely. Tapping externally and internally, remove and release the deposits formed on the inner wall and bottom of the tank. Tap on the outside as well as inside with the hammer, so that dirt layer crumbles and falls. Remove the silt out of the tank, then rinse the tank again with water. Sometimes there may be hard scales sticking to the wall and bottom. This needs to be removed or dissolved with the help of Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1, provided in KleanKit, to be dissolved in 10 liters of water. Splash the Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1 on the surface of the wall and bottom. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes to react and then remove the same with either buffing wheel or scrubber, looking at the quantum of scale on the wall and bottom. Again, add water to clean the wall and bottom and then drain. Use of Solution 2. Clean the tank with Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 2 provided in KleanKit and scrub it down, to be dissolved in 5 liters of water. Clean with fresh water till the tank is clean and free of detergent. You may at this stage also clean the outer surface of tank with same solution. And if you observe any scaling on outer surface, Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1 can be used. Use of Solution 3. Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 3 is being popularly used as disinfectant, to be dissolved in 3.5 liters of water. Use as recommended dosage and spread or splash on complete inner surface of the tank and keep it for about 20 minutes. Clean and rinse the tank with fresh water and mop the tank. Use of UV light source. Should avoid if not needed. Keep the UV light inside the tank for about 20 to 30 minutes. Your Sintex tank is now completely clean. All you need to do is refill it with fresh water and start using it again. Continue to enjoy a healthy life. Sintex Active Thinking.